If you've got that sharp, annoying pain in your lower back, the kind you can point at with your thumb, this video might change everything for you. Because today, you'll finally understand what's really causing it, and how to fix it permanently. This pain can make even simple things, walking, sitting, working out, feel like punishment. But here's the truth. It's not your lower back muscles, it's something deeper, hidden. And once you find it, you can switch off that pain like a light. The goal today is simple. Eliminate that deep, stabbing back pain once and for all, and give you the tools to make sure it never returns. You don't need fancy machines or painkillers. You just need to understand one powerful muscle, the glute medius. Most people think their lower back is the problem, but that pain, it's just a symptom. The real cause often hides right under your glutes, a weak or tight glute medius muscle. It's what keeps your hips level every time you walk or squat. When it shuts down from sitting too long or lifting unevenly, your body starts to crumble from the hips down. You shift weight to one side. Your pelvis tilts, and that shooting pain down your back or into your butt, that's your body screaming for balance. Your glute medius has one main job, to stabilize your pelvis when you move. Every step you take, it keeps your hips from dropping side to side. But when it weakens, your pelvis tilts unevenly, putting extra stress on your lower spine. That imbalance triggers chronic pain, the kind that returns again and again, no matter how much you stretch or rest. Here's how to fix it, fast. Lie down on your side. Place your thumb right on that sore spot near your upper glutes. Now, slowly move your leg back behind you, toes pointing slightly down, and lift. You'll feel that deep muscle working. That's the glute medius firing back to life. Do 10 reps, rest 10 seconds, then repeat, holding the top position and squeezing hard for 5 seconds. It'll burn, but that's the pain leaving your body. Now, to make sure that pain never comes back, we strengthen it. Stand next to a wall, hand lightly on it for balance. Lift the inside leg and let your hip drop slightly. Now drive that hip back up and across until your leg touches the wall again. This simple move rebuilds hip stability and keeps your back protected for life. Do 3 to 4 sets of 15 reps each day, especially if you sit a lot. If you lift weights or squat often, add this advanced drill. Wrap a light kettlebell or weight between your legs using a belt or strap. Now walk slowly forward, like a weighted march. This sack swing move wakes up your hips, builds strength, and rewires your movement balance. It looks funny, but it works like magic. Lower back pain ruins confidence. It steals progress and limits your life. But you don't have to live with it anymore. Activate your glute medius, fix the root cause, and move pain-free again. Stronger, balanced, unstoppable. If you found this helpful, don't stop here. Watch our next video to protect your knees and hips from future injuries. Because strength isn't just about how much you can lift. It's about how long your body lasts. Click the next video to continue your transformation. And subscribe to FitFlix Move for workouts that heal, build, and transform your body from the inside out.